In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim and cut a video in CapCut PC. If you need to remove mistakes, shorten a long clip, or get rid of footage you do not want, CapCut makes the process really simple. Once you know where to click, you can make clean edits in just a few seconds. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest way to split clips, trim the edges, and remove unwanted sections from the middle of your video. To begin, go down to your timeline and click on the video clip you want to edit so it becomes highlighted. This is important because it tells CapCut exactly which clip you're working on. After that, move the vertical playhead line to the exact frame where you want to make your cut. Take your time here because the placement of the playhead determines exactly where the video will be sliced. If you want a more precise edit, zoom in on your timeline a little so it's easier to land on the right frame. Once the playhead is in the correct position, it's time to make the cut. Look at the toolbar right above the timeline tracks and click the split icon. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and B on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, CapCut instantly divides the original clip into two separate clips at the playhead position. This is useful anytime you want to break up a longer piece of footage into smaller, editable sections. Now let's clean up the footage. If you want to trim the beginning or the end of a clip, move your mouse over the outer edge of that clip until the bracket-style cursor appears. Then click and drag inward. This shortens the clip from that side without needing to make extra cuts. It's a quick way to tighten your edit and remove unwanted frames at the start or end. If you need to cut out a mistake in the middle of a clip, first make one split at the beginning of the section you want to remove. Then move the playhead to the end of that mistake and make a second split. This creates a separate middle section. Click that unwanted block to highlight it, then press Delete on your keyboard to remove it from the timeline. And that's it. You now know how to trim the edges of a clip, split footage exactly where you need, and cut out mistakes in the middle using CapCut PC. Once you practice this a couple of times, the process becomes fast and natural.